It's a rough road. Oh, don't cry, baby. We're just going over here to the park. Come on, it's okay, baby. Oh, him's a good cat. He rides in the truck. You riding truck. He sees. See that? You're riding in the truck today. Something new for you. Yeah, gotta teach you new things. You gotta know. You gotta know. You gotta know new things. New things. Things you're not comfortable with. Yeah. That's how you get smarter. Levi's smart. He's a smart cat, Levi is. What's his name? Hello. He don't like it. He don't like the truck. I don't like it. It's okay, baby. You're not gonna fall. See the sheep? Look, there's sheep over there. See the sheep? Yeah, there you go. Getting comfortable now, aren't you? Yeah, you're getting comfortable now. You getting comfortable now? You're figuring out you're not in trouble. You're not gonna go to the doctor. We're not going to the doctor. Yeah, we're just going for a ride.